inside, so let's get started.
This kit contains soap base, food coloring, some beakers, spatulas and droppers, and a starfish mold.
But Bhaiya, you forgot about the safety mittens.
Yes! Soap is a substance used for washing and cleaning purposes. It is made when a vegetable oil or an animal fat is mixed with a strong alkali like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide.
Bhaiya, what are alkalis?
Alkalis are water-soluble bases. There are many types of soaps like kitchen soaps, medicated soaps, laundry soaps, etc.
Let's create our own soap by the following materials.
Present in the kit.
Firstly, take the soap base and place 2 to 3 pieces of it in the measuring beaker.
Microwave it for 30 seconds.
Don't worry, it is microwave proof.
Now the soap is in the liquid form. Take few drops of food coloring into the dropper. Add 5 drops of food coloring into this liquid, which is in the melted form. Stir it using the wooden spatula. Simultaneously add 5 drops of aquatic fragrance to the colored soap base. Stir it in using the wooden spatula. Carefully pour the mixture into the mold cavity till it is completely filled. Let it set for 4 hours. After 4 hours, you can take out the soap samples once they get freezed. You will be amazed to see your soaps in your hands.